Yes, ready, copy. Right, short transit. Thank you. Delivery Danish 72 Foxtrot, good morning. Stand 7, we copy information. Foxtrot, QNH 1012, message secure.
Danish 72 Foxtrot, get to Florø, runway 1 on the right. 5026.
Clear destination Florø, runway 1 on the right. Beaming 1 is our departure, after transition. Climb 4,000 feet, 45026, 97 Foxtrot.
Correct.
Okay, so Beaming 1 Delta after transition 4,000 feet, squawk 50. Tier 6 is checked.
Checked, good. So this is the loading instructions we have.
Oh yeah.
What do we have here? 7 pieces and 2 pieces of cargo. 8 kilos of cargo.
8 kilos of cargo.
So ready for briefing.
Yes sir.
So aircraft status. It's good, no changes. Weather is good as well for departure. NOTAMs checked. Yeah, weather is just to double check. We have weather here. Of course, we have 80s received, and it says that we have icy conditions. The weather at our destination Florø is also good. All alternate is also good. NOTAMs checked. Nothing significant. So for departure, we expect, it's already confirmed, we have runway 1 on right for departure. And for that we have Beaming 1 Delta with transition FTOC and flight 10-3 November.
Checked.
So runway 1 on right is not limited, takeoff with bliss off, anti-icing on and torque 92.5. So after takeoff, we go on runway track 192, 1700 feet, then right turn to Beaming, and then Golf Mike 619er, 617, FTOC, Embler, checked. MSA 3900 and transition 7000. Right, this is our departure, and the climb gradient is 4000 feet up to 5% up to 4000 feet, which is no problem. We are very light, so we do comply easily.
Checked.
Second. And yeah. That's for departure route. Let's check what seating we have now. And it says we have 1 pax in Alpha. Ah yeah, it's Birk, so we can put you in on jump seat, right?
Yeah, so that distribution.
Distribution is seating is 1 in Alpha. Sorry, on the jump seat. Then 0 in Alpha, and then 7 and 8.
Okay, then it's 3-1 then. If I'm right. Yeah. Checked.
Cargo, and it's checked. So papers goes to the stays on the ground. Those main papers. With the passengers, with the car, with the load sheet, and OFP. You're welcome. This stays with us. Alright, Robertus.
Hello, door closed.
Door closed, thank you.
Thank you.
So, engine out procedure is?
Standard.
And acceleration is?
1,800 feet.
1,800 and standard. And emergencies as briefed before by you in the morning, so stay the same. Items, emergency checklist, normal checklist, abnormal checklist, and we can land on runway 19 right or left if needed.
Okay, just correction. Acceleration G, it's 1,200.
1,200 is checked. Alright, so frequency set, everything is quick briefing. Alright, so let's, any questions, suggestions regarding the briefing?
No questions.
Briefing is completed, then let's check figures. I have load sheet figures. Mach 2331.
No, so maybe fuel 2250.
Oh, sorry, I didn't put the fuel. 2250. Let's give me a second, let's check one more time. CG2432.
Okay, so that must be configuration 3.1?
No, it's not like this. We have
okay.
jump seat.
Alright, okay. Alright, so 2.0 and then just here on the jump seat. Okay.
Yeah, jump seat 1 and remove from mount 1.
Okay, good.
Okay, one more time. CG2432. No?
No, still no.
Alright, cabin 8, 6, 2 and 1.
Yes, so configuration 1 jump seat, Bravo 7, Charlie 8.
Yes. Holds. It says 104 in front and 8 kilos of cargo.
Yeah. So you put mail?
No, it's cargo.
Okay, for me it's
yeah.
it's cargo, that's why. So maybe if I put it here, let's say like this, and I put 0 like this. Yeah, as TR2301.
Sorry?
Mach takeoff weight 2301. No, it's very strange.
Yeah.
2250, 20 configuration. Okay, maybe not one. This one, 2. Okay, 2432.
Yes.
Here we go.
2432, yes.
Nice.
0 fuel weight 12617.
12617. 12617. Check cross weight 14867.
Checked. CG2432.
Checked trim 0.27 up.
Checked. So,
Set.
15. Yeah, checked. 15 tons. Icing conditions, no limiting. Yellow buck 105.
105.
Speed buck 112.
112.
White buck 123.
123.
Icing 143.
And 143.
Right, so final cockpit preparation checklist, please.
Okay, so let us say it is golf 3 minutes old, QNH 1013.
1013 is set.
Parking preparation checklist, parking brake,
Gauge pressure check, no steering is on.
altimeters,
10137 checked.
landing elevation,
Is set.
Genesis come now,
And checked.
fuel quantity,
Is 2200.
memo panel,
Checked.
power management,
Takeoff.
parking preparation checklist.
Thank you. You may ask for a start.
Danish 72 Foxtrot Send 7 Golf 1 QNH 1013 request out.
Danish 72 Foxtrot Gardermoen ground, start for prep.
Start our approve, Danish 72 Fox.
Good. Before prepare orientation checklist, please.
B4 for orientation checklist. Takeoff bugs,
Set checked.
trims,
027 upset.
doors,
Close. Fuel pumps on.
seatbelts,
On.
beacon,
Starting our engines. Starting engine number 1. Left side is clear. Are you ready?
affirm.
Start around, NH. Fuel open. I see you.
Gentlemen, ground, good morning. Nordic 30 Bravo Foxtrot, stand 11, NH 1012. We have information golf on board, ready for push and start.
Nordic 30 Bravo Foxtrot, I'm on ground. Good morning. Push back to start approved and confirm connection
595.
NH 1013, push back and start approved, Nordic 30 Bravo Foxtrot.
Ready?
April.
Good, start around, NH. Fuel open. ACU. Ignition. All pressure. Start up. ITD is 587.
Start time is 16 seconds.
Parameters stabilized. Disconnecting. November. Next to the right.
606, Gardermoen ground, come on. Mission Golf, Ganesh 101T, push back and start approved.
Start approved 101T, Nordic 60. Nordic 30 Bravo Fox, ready for landing.
Next to the right.
30 Bravo Fox, left turn, taxi via Kilo.
Robert,
Hello, cabin clear.
cabin clear, thank you.
Clear right.
Taxi checklist, please.
Taxi checks, taxi and take off rates.
On.
Brakes,
Checked.
AFCS EDU.
Heading slow, ES 1. 7 4000 set, coupling left.
Takeoff config test.
Hey,
Taxi check is complete. Cabin report.
received. Takeoff briefing.
I'm ready.
So it's 15 tons for takeoff. Icing conditions. Runway 19 right is not limited. Takeoff is on off. Anti-icing on. And torque 92.
Danish 72 Foxtrot, contact tower 118, please fire power.
Tower 118, 030 for Danish 72 Foxtrot, goodbye.
Yeah, I could put them on 6.
Tower Danish 72 Foxtrot, good morning, we are ready after this.
Good.
Yeah,
Okay.
good.
Tower Danish 72 Foxtrot.
Yes, hello.
Danish 72 Foxtrot, hello, we are ready after this.
Yeah, okay. Expect one landing first. So Alpha 6, Alpha 7.
Alpha 7.
Please take up after Danish 72 Foxtrot.
Alpha 7. Left.
Checked. Yeah, one traffic on final. Checked.
Set.
Tårn brann 68. Brann 68. Ja, jeg står ved park 326 og ønsker meg over til midtposisjon nordløp. Brann 68, kjør til Charlie 2 og hold klar av banen. Brann 68 kjører til Charlie 2 og hold klar av banen. 72 Foxtrot, flight 19 right.
Line up NOX, runway 19 right, Danish 72 Foxtrot.
Runway 19 right by Alpha 7.
Yes, one and already Alpha 7 is confirmed. Clear right.
Aircraft is rolling in before takeoff checklist.
Before takeoff checklist. Choose follow right.
So left rudder.
Brann
Right
68.
rudder.
Kryss 19 right, vestre bane og klar av den.
Before takeoff checklist. Takeoff briefing. Gas log. Flight controls.
Checked.
Transponder and TCAS. TCAS.
Your goal, takeoff and leave it.
APM.
Set checked.
Airflow.
Normal.
Pilot and cabin crew.
Advised.
Engine beat.
Off.
Conscious light.
And takeoff on 9 right, 200 degrees for knots.
Give a take off runway 19 right, Danish 72 Foxtrot.
Engine beat.
Off.
Conscious light.
On.
Fix on the right.
On.
ATR bar.
Centered.
Rudder cam. Before takeoff check is copy.
Are you ready?
Affirm.
You check.
Checked.
The timing 06 and fuel burn 40.
Checked.
Ready?
V40 contact. Take over briefing. Gas log. Flight controls.
Checked.
Transponder and TCAS. TCAS.
Your goal, take off, leave it.
APM.
Set checked.
Airflow.
Normal.
Pilot and cabin crew.
Advised.
Engine beat.
Off.
Continuous light. Engine beat.
Off.
Continuous light.
On.
External light.
On.
ATR bar.
Centered.
Rudder cam. V40 contact is copy. APR.
Are you ready?
Affirm.
You check.
Checked.
The timing 06 and fuel burn 40.
Checked.
Ready? Yes, let's go. All levers set.
Arm. Power set 70.
Checked. Back controls.
Your controls. V1 contact.
able to fly with the max speed to 50, max altitude to 50 as well. What I didn't mention here, this airport has steep approach. Initially it's 3.3, then it switches to 3.5 degrees gradient, and in that, on the final phase, when we have already from visual phase, we have 4.5 Hope to see you on board next time, and wish you a nice and pleasant stay in Florø. Thank you for your attention, and have a good day. I'm back. My controls.
Your controls, no change.
Copy. Thank you.
Couldn't even find out 5. ATR42-300, we can level off 1,000 feet and maintain separation to Danish.
Oslo 07, Roger, thank you much for cooperation. And the mentioned ATR is 10 miles east of Pogux and 1/4 track miles from Ufosa at this time and 7,000 descending.
Copy traffic, we're leveling off 1,000 then. ATR07.
Roger, thank you.
Robertus.
Hello, cabin clear.
Cabin clear, thank you.
Thank you. Cabin report.
Received. We just also report that we are reducing speed and for cooperation.
And which altitude will maintain 6,000 or we still continue? Okay.
Follow.
Okay. Danish 72 Foxtrot will reduce speed to let the traffic cross before us because we estimate what's our buzzer in the moment.
Danish 72 Foxtrot, Roger.
Okay, 4,000 set.
One Oslo 07
Checked.
to identified. Report altitude.
Identified 1,000 feet, Norsk ATR07.
Roger.
Yeah, it's here. Okay. 1,000 feet. Checked. Buzzer 3,200. Good visibility, so maybe
And Danish 72 Foxtrot mentioned traffic is at your 2 o'clock, 6 miles, 1,000 feet and heading west.
copy Danish 72 Foxtrot.
We're heading west as well.
Yeah.
But you have good vertical separation, so it's,
Yeah, it's okay.
and
And also when we will be like just below the cloud, maybe I will
of course.
have it inside.
From Pogux, 3,200.
Free altitude.
Checked.
And Oslo 07 update mentioned ATI is at your 9 o'clock, 4 miles, 4,600 feet and shortly turning northbound.
Copy traffic, Norsk ATR07, we have traffic inside. Maintaining
Good.
1,000 feet downbound.
Roger.
3,200 set.
Checked. Free altitude.
Checked. The helicopter should
Yeah,
be
inside.
72 Foxtrot, Roger, and wind 150 degrees, 14 knots, no reported traffic, runway 07.
No reported traffic, runway 07, Danish Air Transport.
Okay, no report traffic, radio height, QNH 1007.
Cross checked, double descent checked, and go altitude 4,000 feet.
Yes, please, set current altitude.
4,000 feet set.
Checked. Flaps 15.
Speed checked. Flaps 15.
Gear down.
Speed checked. Anti-icing off.
Anti-icing off.
Clean right.
Icing E, clean left, and here gas on normal speeds. Checked.
Get down 3 gains.
Checked. Continue to 1300, and then we brake to the right, following
Yeah.
the coast.
Following checklist.
The following checklist, please.
Before landing checklist, accept condition rules, max RPM and flaps 30. Cabin crew,
Advised.
landing gear,
3 green.
flaps,
3, correction 50
yeah. Power management,
is takeoff.
icing over light,
Off.
external light.
On.
Before landing checklist, accept flaps 30 and max RPM.
Okay, 1300.
Checked.
Braking to the right. Autopilot off.
Checked.
ADU standby.
EDU, standby. Standby.
Set runway heading.
Unwaiting. Set. Checked. Danish Air Transport, wind check, runway 25.
Wind runway 25 at 130 degrees at 15 knots.
Copy.
Flaps 30. Max RPM.
Speed checked.
So we approach.
Flaps 30 and condition level 1+2 max
Check.
RPM set. Speed
Speedback, approach 100, set, before landing checklist complete.
Checked. Okay, pump inside.
Checked. Steep approach.
On. Steep approach is on now. Okay, where should we commit?
Checked.
Number off.
You're not off. Right on profile.
Checked. Land.
500.
Correcting.
Checked.
Checked, my controls. Here you go. Gas lock on.
Gas lock on.
Checked. After landing checklist.
After landing checklist. Read.
Off. Set runway heading.
Runway heading. Set. Checked. Check runway 25.
Wind runway 25 at 130 degrees at 15 knots.
Copy. Flaps 30, max RPM.
Speed checked.
Set the approach.
Flaps 30 and condition level 1 press 2 max
Checked.
RPM set. Speed back approach 100 set. Before landing checklist complete.
Checked. Okay, pump inside.
Checked. Steep approach.
On. Steep approach is on now. Okay, where should we commit? Okay, where should we commit?
Checked.
check my controls. Yo, gas lock on.
Gas lock on.
After landing checklist.
After landing checklist. Blitz.
Off.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to
Landing checklist. Radar standby. Flight controls. Flaps. 0 trips. Reset. Anti-dazing off. Uninstall roads off. Propagating off. After at least 2 minutes, 1 and fuel shut. After landing checklist complete. Settlement.
Left.
Yes.
And zero blades off.
Landing checklist
Checked.
Danish 72 Foxtrot 1 way evacuated and thank you for the day.
Danish 72 Foxtrot Roger. And thank you for today.
Alright, hydraulic okay.
Checked. Parking brake set. Both condition I want to do further.
NP stabilized.
Checked.
6 OS 162.
Okay, on.
37.
Both fuel shut off.
Fuel shut off.
Okay, fuel remaining 1620.
1620. Okay.
Right propeller.
Stopped.
Cabin crew, you may open doors. Welcome to Florø. Robert S.
Hello, door open.
Door open, thank you.
Thank you. So, remaining fuel use how much? 1620. 1620. Okay. 1620. Double checked. Okay. Yeah. And setting to
Receiving parking checklist.
main checkers. Parking brake.
Engage pressure check, no steering is on.
Taxi and takeoff flight.
Off.
CO2.
Bow fan and fuel shut off.
Power brake.
Is off.
Make up.
Off.
Transponder.
Is standby.
Seatbelt.
Off.
Main checkers.
Good. Welcome to Florø. Thank you for the flight.